I got sneezing on strangers. This is a bad prank, bro. Niggas be doing anything, bro.
Bro, get your on somewhere.
What you? Hey, watch out! Hey,
This is a bad prank, bro.
Huh?
Did you sneeze on me?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Oh my God, it's Young Mooch, man. Look, man, today's video, as I could tell by the title, you know.
Yo, someone said Prince Sid. Yo, shut up.
Raised with me, you know, and I'm gonna be pretending like I'm sneezing on random strangers. Now, I don't know how they're gonna react. I know they're gonna be mad though, cause nobody like getting sneezed on. And we're gonna get these people reaction, man. Make sure y'all like, comment if you're new to
He
the
did
channel.
use King Sid intro though. That was crazy.
Hit that subscribe button, man. Let's go sneeze on people. See two guys sitting down. I'm about to go prank. I'm about to sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all. Oh my God.
What's wrong with you, bro? You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't
You
sneeze
ain't gonna
on
say
you?
excuse me?
What you mean?
You gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
You like sneezing for, man. You know you just sneeze on
What
me.
you mean? No, I'm out. Yeah, I know where I'm
Bruh.
at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoe pies. Dude, get your...
Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out!
Say you be burping shoe polish.
Watch out! Yo, slide! Yo, it's a video. And we're recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good? Yo, slide, bro. Watch out! Alright, you good? Watch out! You good, bro? Hey, look, yo. Come on, let go. Y'all tripping. Let's slide.
What the fuck?
What the
Do
fuck?
that shit. Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck would you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Bro, get your ass on somewhere. The fuck?
What you doing?
Why the fuck you do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you.
He do kind of resemble, like, it seemed like his whole mannerisms and the way he's talking and everything sounds kind of like Sid a little bit. But maybe they from the same area. I don't know.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping?
Weird
You
ass
tripping.
shit, bro.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't control it.
Fuck no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on
God.
somebody else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Shorty threw a milkshake
Nah,
on him.
You good. We was recording you the whole time. You was on camera. Oh my God.
That seemed a little scripted though. Just a little bit, gang. We gonna keep watching though. We gonna keep watching.
I understand.
It seemed a little scripted though, cause
You
like
okay?
the reaction, like you don't just immediately go from like being upset to laughing, like you know what I mean? Just cause the nigga said you on camera, like nigga, so the fuck what, nigga, stop playing with me, nigga. That's what I'ma
I
say.
can't control it.
Fuck no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on
God.
somebody else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
You okay? It's okay. I get a hug from you, like a little side.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah, I see this
Her-
guy.
her
I'm
mood
about to
change.
get him. I'm about to get him, man.
You see, niggas like this though is real, bro. Like there's no way he knows this guy. Like he don't know this guy right here.
Dude, man, what's up?
To me.
See, that's a real ass reaction right there. That's a real ass reaction. That's a real ass reaction. That's how any person would react. Like, what the fuck you doing, nigga?
Dude, man, what's up?
To me.
What's all that about, man?
What you mean,
What
bro?
are you doing, man?
To me, what I'm doing?
What you doing, man? You sizing them
like
up.
that? Did your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you,
Why
man?
you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you stop doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's a sneeze.
This is when Robert grow up. Robert from the other day.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
That nigga not playing around.
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude. You need to back the
You
fuck up.
can keep shopping. You can keep shopping.
Oh yeah. Shoot the
Alright,
fair
you
on.
good. Alright.
Shoot the fair on, nigga.
Stop touching me. Okay.
No, we're not good.
All right.
We're not
Okay.
good, man.
Okay.
Hey,
You
man, I'm
good?
making it through 2 months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
All right. You can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro.
Whatever, man.
I'm not
Don't
touching
do
you.
that again, man.
Okay, I'm not touching you.
Nasty.
Okay, you good though.
Go more. Get the hell out of here, man.
What?
Go somewhere else. Bye. See ya.
Okay, you don't have to.
Yeah,
touch
he got
me,
PTSD, bro. He's ready to
though. All
kill.
right, you stop touching me, bro. You good? You good?
Really?
Yeah, stop touching me.
Yeah, I'm an old man, but that don't mean shit.
Okay, stop touching me. I don't want to hurt you, bro.
Whatever. You ain't gonna hurt nothing, man.
All right, stop touching me.
Whatever.
All right, you good, bro.
No, that's it.
I think Queen just got hit. Nigga,
All right, you good? It's recording. We're recording. You're on camera, man.
nigga said that's it. That's
You're
it.
on camera, bro. You on camera. We're recording you. It was in the sneeze. You were on camera. People are sitting down. I'm about to go get them right now. No, anybody. I think I see 2 girls. We're gonna see how this goes.
Yo, I can't get over the Prince Sid shit, bro. The Prince Sid shit got me crying.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck? You're literally fucking disgusting. Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere
But my sneeze is
Nah,
my
like, get the fuck. Yeah, no,
My-
bro,
my
get the fuck.
sneeze- my sneeze
Nah,
is
get the
clean,
fuck.
though.
Nah, your sneeze is clean? Yeah,
Your
that
sneeze is
shit's
clean.
stupid as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
That shit, bro.
I can't sneeze on you?
Piss me off. You can't sneeze on me. You just that's just nasty as fuck.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You. This nigga is weird. You're weird as fuck, bro.
Nah, fake sneezing
No,
during like
no,
a
that shit's
COVID
so fucking
pandemic
weird.
is mad weird though.
Nah, no.
I'm not gonna
calm
lie.
down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie, we filming you. It's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It was a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize.
Nah,
Nah,
that
it,
shit-
it was a
So,
joke.
bro.
It was a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a joke.
Fuck that video.
It was a video, I
No.
promise. I wouldn't sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze.
I'm sorry.
Get something from the diner.
So sleepy and I'm so hungry. That water looks so good. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Parched.
Get something from the diner. I want like what Murph had yesterday, like a turkey burger or something.
I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
No hug?
By the time it get here, I should be done.
I see somebody shopping. I think it's a couple. I'm gonna go mess with this couple, y'all.
So
I
thirsty.
think they shopping.
Oh my god, bro.
You just sneeze on me, bro?
Hit him.
I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro. You
Jack-
just sneeze on me, bro?
Are you good, bro?
Nah, bro. What you mean? Don't touch you. Don't sneeze on me.
Hey, bro, don't touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro? Why is you touching me, bro?
Cause you sneezed on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean I sneezed on you, bro? It's I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good? It's a video. We was recording you,
Hey,
bro.
guys.
Huh?
I'm gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now. Like
I
everybody.
ain't sneeze on you.
Shorty, if you don't get your cupcake shape out of here talking about why they all gotta leave, that's mad racist. Like the nigga sneeze on them.
Cupcake shape is funny.
Yeah, get out of here, man.
Nah, bro. You fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro, you good. You good, fam. What's up, bro?
I
You
need you
good.
guys to all get out.
You good.
You guys all get out my store. It is not your store, shorty. I'm not gonna lie, it's not your store. Save it. I hate when they say that. When managers say that, I need you to leave my store. You don't own a goddamn thing.
You good, bro.
My fault. Body posse.
Hey, y'all too. I'm gonna need y'all to stop.
Body positive.
Girl, walking.
Body positivity. I apologize.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little
Nah,
stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing.
This one might be a little stage right here. This one might be a little stage. That bad
I
reaction.
can't sneeze.
Nigga just fucking sneeze on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't sneeze.
Wet mouth ass. The fuck?
I can't.
No. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
See, she want to laugh.
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
Yeah,
I can't.
See, don't.
Man, I swear,
can't sneeze.
I got this
What
turkey.
the fuck do you want?
You want the turkey burger?
I can't
Yeah.
sneeze.
Fuck no. Not on me. The fuck?
Yo, hold on. Wait, I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look, right there all the way down, he recording you.
You see?
That's too fake. That's
no
too
one,
fake.
yeah,
That's
bro.
too
I
fake.
would still be upset even if you tell me it's a video. Do you get what I'm saying?
Recording you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you. I
Wouldn't
promise.
you still be tight?
Yeah. it
Like,
was
bro,
a
why
joke, I
why
promise.
you recording me?
I promise it was a
Okay,
little
for
joke.
sure. That's cool.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
Weird though.
Nah, I apologize. Look, look, you actually look good. Like that's why I told you it's a video.
Okay.
I get your number. I'm not gonna sneeze on you. I'm not gonna.
Can I get your number? You go from that to getting your number.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck does that?
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I apologize. Hot. I've been hot. Oh my God.
See, but for some reason, I think these people are real. Like, there's no way he knows this this guy. Like, there's no way he knows this guy right here.
Yo, what's going on, man?
That's a real reaction.
I'm a little
What's going on, man?
sick.
going on?
I like to sneeze.
So you're gonna sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little
You
sick.
gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
I'm a little sick.
I don't care if you're sick. Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like to do that.
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from me. Hey, get the hell out of here.
I can't sneeze on
Get
you.
the hell outta here.
Let me sneeze on
Hey,
you.
what's going
Let me
on, man?
sneeze on you one
Hell
time.
no, I'm out of here.
What you mean? I can't sneeze. I can't.
He about to do it again.
What'd I tell you?
What'd I tell you?
I'm not messing with you.
I relax. I'm a little sick, bro.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
What you doing?
You can go to the nurse's office
you
if you're
doing,
sick. Don't be
bro?
sneezing on
Okay.
people.
Okay, I'm a little sick. That's all. Bro.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude.
Hey, we recording. It's a video.
I don't want to be on no video. I got time
It's
for
a prank.
videos.
Look, I didn't
I
sneeze
don't
on
care
you.
about no
It's
pranks. I
a
don't want to be on your TikTok.
it's a.
You see, that's a real reaction, bro. Like, I don't care if you're recording, bro. Stop playing with me, bro.
Video. I didn't sneeze on you. It was a spray.
Oh, get the hell out of here.
You good? You sure? I didn't sneeze. Yeah, you mad, bro. What the hell?
But okay, all right, if that happened to you, right, would you be mad knowing that they trying to like just do content?
I'll fake still be a little mad. Like, what? Like, not mad, like, but like, what you doing, my nigga?
Just trying to make content.
Fuck your content. Word. What you talking about? Like, I'm in Trader Joe's. Like, leave me the fuck alone, please.